got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
How you been, man?
I've been making it, man, about yourself.
Man, I can't complain.
Upgraded the subs a little bit. I got the Sundown teams in here now, the V2 flare rights.
You got plenty of it now, though.
Yeah, they still on the 6Ks. They're 0.3 apiece now.
6K?
Yeah, two 6Ks, the SCVs.
It's all good.
Please.
Yeah, it do. It do though. Where can they find you on social? Well, what kind of power are you running there?
It's two SCV 6Ks. They're at 0.3 apiece. Electrical, I've got a Sense 320, a JS 270, and a 96 amp hour spin bank.
Yes, sir, man. You gotta sound good, bro. Where can they find you on social media anywhere?
I'm Jabo Smokes on Facebook, Got Lows on Instagram.
Yes, sir. Y'all be give them a follow. Good, I can see you, bro.
You too,
Yeah, we
man.
gonna do it
Appreciate
again.
you. Yes, sir.
Still rolling? Yeah, you're still rolling. Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.